using the Twitter search engine. Okay, so now that you know how to tweet and how that works, it's time to start finding some people that we want to start following us. So what we're going to use for that is the Twitter search engine. The Twitter search engine is located at search.twitter.com. There are also many other search engines out there that aren't official Twitter search engines. One, of course, is TweetScan that some people do use. But I want to focus on the Twitter one and show you what that does. And then, as you master that, you can start go out and look at some other ones as well. But the official one by Twitter is a good place to start. Okay, so it's a pretty plain screen. Again, you can see the simplicity here. I'm going to go ahead and let's say that I'm looking for other people that are talking about dogs because my niche is dog training. Let's pretend that. So I'm just going to type in dog and see what comes up. This person here wrote, I like to take pictures with my dog. So obviously this person here must have a dog. So if I'm selling a dog training product, it would be a good idea to try to get them to follow me. So we'll talk shortly about how to start following people. But I also want to talk about the advanced search because, of course, that just brings up people talking about dog. But the advanced search allows you to really get crazy with things. Let's say, for example, that I wanted to search for dog, but I don't want to talk about anything regarding puppy, so I can say nothing with puppy also in the tweet. I can also search by people, referencing people. Now this is a really cool feature on Twitter. Let's say that you're from Chicago and you're a restaurant and you want to find people in the area, of course, to market your restaurant to them. You can actually say a place and then say that you only want to find tweets within 15 miles of your town or 5 miles or 500 miles. And of course, leave other things blank. Or let's say that you want to find people that within 15 miles of Chicago and they're talking about restaurant or maybe even talking about food. And you can even, tweets that contain links, don't contain links, this and that, that and this. And here we go. I'm stupid hungry right now. I hope it's some delicious food over here. Okay, well, you know what? If I'm a restaurant, this might be a good place, a good person to, market my service to. I love Chinese food. Food was terrible. Sorry to hear that. Hopefully that wasn't your restaurant. Food is some food. So again, it goes down to this is an exciting thing because it allows you to focus in on people from your same geographic area and market to them if that's your thing. Again, that's the power of searching on Twitter by subject, by location, by person. Just keep that in mind as you start to find people that you want to get to follow you. We'll talk about how to follow them in a bit.